Welcome back to the Robert Stone Club channel. A massive shift of wealth is happening right now. It's hiding in plain sight, deep in the open data. Let's track it down. Red alerts are flashing everywhere. Bitcoin Magazine just reported that big money is leaving Bitcoin ETFs. For new traders, the panic hits fast. You know the feeling. The fear is real. Headlines scream that big funds are cashing out. Fear takes over the market. Retail traders rush to dump their coins. It really looks like the start of a huge crash. But the crash never came. Cointelegraph data shows the real story. The price hit a hard iron floor at exactly $64,248. Sellers pushed hard, but the market stayed totally calm. So this leaves us with one big question. If scared retail traders are dumping all their tokens, who is the hidden buyer soaking them up? We're seeing a stark divide here. Scared sellers act on a single flash of bad news. But the smart money sits calm. They don't read the headlines. They bet purely on math. CoinDesk found the proof in the options data. Bitcoin options cost a lot right now. The costs are very high. This means big traders expect huge moves. They set traps in the market to buy the dips. CoinDesk also tracked massive silent wallets. Huge funds like Strategy and Metaplanet just ignore the daily noise. They do not trade on fear. They buy and hold. Their plan is strictly long-term. Real quick, before we see exactly how they do it, please subscribe and hit like for more crypto investigations. All right, so these big players buy quietly. They absorb those drops of liquidity like a giant sponge. They never cause a price spike. Case file, the 2022 bear trap. Let's look closely. The pattern is so clear. Back in 2022, the price fell for months. Fear hit an absolute peak. New folks panicked and sold at a deep loss. But those giant whale wallets, they quietly bought up all those cheap tokens. The outcome was brutal. Scared sellers lost their tokens for good. Patient buyers held on, and they made massive gains just a few months later. Next up, your escape plan. You need to act with a strict plan. Step 1, zoom out the chart. Step 2, write down clear buy and sell rules. Step 3, check the new signs. In Step 4, always ask who is buying. You have to look past the daily price drops. Look at the real blockchain data. The data for long-term holder supply shows the raw truth. The strong hands are keeping their tokens steady. They absolutely refuse to sell cheap. So you must stop and ask this exact question before you panic. If I sell right now, who is buying my coins? We track the facts in this explainer so you don't get shaken out. Stop trading on fear. Will you be the one selling or the one setting the trap? The daily market updates and the community are on Telegram. The link is in the description.